Hello guys, good afternoon. How was everybody here? You know, I just got from work, but this time around I'm going to buy my lunch. So I did not have my lunch yet, but this, I'm walking. It's very hot outside. I don't know what's happening here. Our life as an OFW here in Saudi Arabia, it's not easy, the reason why I make this kind of video, so that everybody will understand what was happening in here. All right. So anyway guys, I'm walking here. It's very hot. Then I am here already in a road, a long road, somewhere down the road, like that. So I hope everybody don't forget to watch the full video, and don't forget to click the bell button also guys, and of course don't forget to share. Anyway, my life here, I've been here for almost 17 years in Saudi Arabia as an OFW, The story of my life is not as easy. Grabe. Nakakalungkot. It's so, I'm a breadwinner. That's the reason why. It's hard to find a good employer anyway. But you have to observe also everything, and the people, and of course you should have to understand their culture also. So it's not easy also to adapt their culture as an OFW guys. Yun nga, napakahirap. So ito na nga, naglalakad ako dahil kailangan natin bumili ng pagkain. So I need to buy food. Nanangapod. Ay nako, grabe. Sometimes, sometimes in my mind, hinihingal ako ay nakakahingal maglakad. Nagmamadali ako guys maglakad kasi it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know kung may customer na doon kasi minsan they're calling my phone. They will call me. That's the reason I'm walking fast. Napakahirap. Minsan yung mga yung mga customer makulit. Pagdating mo naman doon, puro mga discounted items, kaya may stress ka talaga. Ganun. Ay, kasi kanina bago ako sabi ko kailangan ko mag CR kasi nga sira yung comfort room. So ang ginawa ko, umuwi ako ng bahay. So ito, inikot ko na lang ng inikot, binaktas ko ng binaktas para makabili ng pagkain. Grabe ang init, 105 degrees. Grabe, imagine mo yan. Ganun ang dito, simple lang. So akala ng iba madali lang yung maging OFW ka, lalo na pag live out ka. Mahirap guys, napakahirap. So para sa pamilya, laban lang. Ganun. O diba? Laban Japan lang tayo. Kasi kailangan nating mabuhay at kumita. Diba? Ayun nga yung sinabi ko, kung kailan na bibili ako ng pagkain tapos pag may tumatawag, yun ang mahirap. Kasi walang ibang shop dito na flower shop. Ako lang. Mayroon man doon malayo mga 2 kilometers pa. Pero hinahanap nila ang trabaho ng Pinoy. Mostly kasi dito, yung mga flower shop, ibang lahi. Bihira ka lang makahanap ng mga Pilipino na nagtatrabaho. Gusto nila yung Pilipino kasi malinis at maayos ang paggawa. Ganun, napakasimple. Assalamualaikum. Okay. So anyway, I'm already here in my destination to have my lunch. So ganun kasimple mga langga. It's just simple but not easy. Grabe. Nakakahingal. Kasi gutom na ako. So yun lamang po mga palangga. Maraming salamat. Don't forget to share, to follow, and subscribe. Okay? Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Bye.